Hey, Coach Greg here, it's about training, and we are on day 10 of our 10-day sculpting Pilates challenge. Congratulations, you made it this far. We're gonna finish it off with a full body exercise workout, if you will. It's gonna be fun. We are gonna get our sweat on. We're gonna start off with some spinal twists. Put a timer on for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're gonna focus on feet shoulder width apart, hinge from our hips, arms out in front of us, and we are just going to be rotating over, trying to look up. Bring it down. Keep your back flat. Knees can be slightly bent if you need to, but we're really just focusing on this rotational movement here. If this is a little too difficult for you, no worries. Just stand upright, elbows up, and you can focus just more on doing a twist of this nature. But sometimes doing it in different variations kind of like works differently, or at least I find that to be the case. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job moving along. We have some curtsy lunges. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're gonna stand up nice and tall, focusing on bringing one leg back behind into a curtsy lunge. Instead of it being a normal lunge backwards, we are trying to get our hip over, boom, just like that. You don't have to be as elongated as I am, but we want chest up. If you want, you can do a little pulse at the bottom, if you feel so inclined. You also don't have to go all the way to the ground. Your knee doesn't have to touch. You can just stay right here, but we want proud chest, core is tight. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job. We have a lateral lunge and a chop. Here we go. Extend, pass shoulder width apart. You almost want to get into your final lateral lunge position. Feet are pointed forward. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Clasp your arms together, hands together, as if holding an axe. And as we come down to chop, we are sitting back into our lateral lunge. Boom. We'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. Core is tight. All right, we're switching 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides. Bam. There it is. Try to stay upright. Don't try to come forward too much. Just sink back as if there's a seat behind you. 3, 2, 1, and done. Last but not least, we're gonna finish off with some squat pulses. Come on. This is Pilates, baby. We're trying to sculpt our legs, our bodies. So let's get some, pulses in there. Feet shoulder width apart. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So sink back into a squat. You can go half, full, whatever you want, but the goal is we want to focus on pulsing. We don't want to be all the way up. We also don't want to be all the way at the bottom. So find a good medium place. There we go. Core is tight. You're gonna feel it in your quads, your thighs, your knees, core if you're doing it correctly. 3, 2, 1, and up. Oh, shake out your legs. First set is done. Come on, let's finish strong. You've survived 9 other days, 9 other workouts. You can survive this one. Keep water close by, grab some if you need some. We are gonna jump into set number 2 right now. Spinal twist. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Curtsy lunge, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral lunge and chop. 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Squat pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets done, 1 more to go. We got this, let's finish strong. This is the last day, last set. Let's have some fun, starting right now. Spinal twist, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Curtsy lunge, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral lunge and chop, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Squat pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That's your 10-day Sculpting Pilates challenge. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. Thank you so much for joining Coach Gabby and I on this journey. Ooh, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, but hopefully you have sculpted your body over the last 10 days. We'd love to see your results. If you're gonna post on social media, just use the hashtag #SculptChallenges. I am Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.